Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mikael or OT Pose, and today I'm going to show you my toys. Got my stuff and also do stuff and also I got collection and stuff and also do and bone toys right here. My animal puzzle, my Muppets right there, Squishy, my keyboard, toys, and up here is toys too. And in my bag, we got some toys right there. And Goblin, Superman, Spider-Man, Thor. Wow, that's the wrap on this video. Thank you guys for watching. Oh, sorry. My last final one, my monkey. Thank you guys for watching. Comment down below, like and subscribe. You want to get the bell, click for our card, watch more videos. And please smash like button if you like it. Please subscribe my channel. And thanks for awesome. Bye.